Ramachandram. It's a popular bhajan composed by Sri Tulsidas, and it's an ode that glorifies Sri Rama and his characteristics to the best. Presenting Sri Ramachandram set in Yamam Kalyani Ragam and Mishra Chapu Talam.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ramachandra Kripal Bhajaman Harana Bhava Bhayadaruna Navakandra Kripalu Bhajaman Harana Bhava Bhayadaruna Navakanjalochana Kanja Mukhatara Kanja Pada Kanjaruna Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram Darpa Aganita Amita Chavi Navanila Nirada Sundara Patapita Manahu Tatita Ruchi Shujinami Janaka Sutavara
Kandarpa Aganita Amita Chavi Navanila Niraja Sundaram Patapita Mana Tadita Ruchi Suchi Navami Janaka Sutavaram Shri Ram.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram Bhajarina Bandhu Dinesha Danav Daitya Vanshani Kandana Raghunanda Ananda Kanda Kosala Chandra Dasha Rathanandana
Vajurina Bandhu Dinesha Danav Daitya Vamsha Nikhandanam Kanda Ananda Kanda Kaushala Chanda Dasharatha Nandanam Shri Ram.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram Siramukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Udaru Anga Vibhushana Ajanu Bhuja Sharachapadhara Sangrama Jita Khara Dushana
Siramukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Udaru Anga Vibhushana Ajanu Bhuja Sharachapadhara Sangrama Jita Khara Dushana Shri Ram.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram Iti Vadati Tulsidasa Shankara Shesha Muni Mana Ranjano Mama Hridaya Kanja Nivasa Guru Kamadi Khaladala Ganjano Iti Vadati Tulsidasa
Shankara Shesha Muni Mana Ranjano Mama Hridaya Kanja Nivasa Guru Kamadi Khaladala Ganjano Shri Ram.
श्रीराम श्रीराम